Oh my god! Hi everyone, I'm Girls So Hard Ambassador DeAnn, and today we're going to be unboxing some new and exciting squishy friends from Justice! What could it be? Oh my god, it's a Squishmallow! It's a panda! It's so soft! It's a pandacorn with wings! Oh my god, guys, it's a koala! This color is so nice! Oh, and it's so soft! Okay guys, my second box, I can't wait! It's more Squishmallows! Look, it's a sloth! I love how galaxy it is and how soft it is! Is this a llamacorn? It's so rainbowy! I love the colors of it. It's so soft too. Guys, look, it's a deer! These are so cute. This is so cute too. I'll put it next to my llamacorn. Okay guys, my third box, my final box. I don't know what it can be. Maybe it could be a whole hippo, but let's see what it is. Oh my god, look, it's a unicorn! Look at this unicorn! It's so soft! Ooh, what's this? Ooh, this is a cat! Ooh, this cat is very nice. It has a nice pattern to it. Ooh, it's a fox! Foxes are very cute. This one's so soft, and I also love the patterns of it. There is 9 to collect, and these are also super soft. And I wonder, what do they put in this? Do they put like cotton candy? I wonder. So this one is Stella the unicorn. And what I like about her is her tail. This is Crystal the cat. And I also love her color of her eyes. This is Autumn the fox. And what I like about her is her eyes and also her name. These are really good and cute pillows because they are super soft and they're super cute. Like if I just put my head on it, I'll just go. Squishmallows are amazing and super soft and cute. I love them so much and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching. Also like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Justice videos. Bye!